Alright, so this is going to be a very quick video showing you guys how to trade faster using Binance P2p. Now, some of you may already know this method, but it turns out that a good number of you actually don't, due to the comments I've been getting in my comment section. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you a very faster way to get to those people that you actually want to trade with, regardless of if you're buying or selling. Alright, so the very first thing you start with obviously is to go into P2P trading. Now when you get here, let's say I would like to buy USDT and I would like to buy 10,000 Naira worth, and I also like to transact with someone who has a bank account. Instead of scrolling through all these guys and looking at their limit, because I like to buy 10,000 Naira worth, right? Now look at this guy over here. This guy starts from 200,000 Naira. This second guy over here starts from 96,000. The other guy 59,000, right? So in addition to looking at their scores and their trades and everything to make sure I'm not dealing with a scammer, I also have to look at the limit as well. So instead of doing all this, scrolling through all these guys, what I can just do is come over here, click at the top right corner here, click on this, and then put in the amount I would like to buy. So I would like to buy 10,000 Naira, and I would like to deal with somebody who will receive the money in their bank account and not their fiat balance, because the comment I'm always getting, most people are always saying that they only see people who are dealing in fiat balance. But in order to make sure that that's for sure, just click on bank transfer, and then by doing this, it will filter it now and show you only people who have set their limits to accommodate your purchase of 10,000 Naira and are accepting bank transfer. Once you've done that, just click on yes, and then it resets it. Now you see the first guy over here, you see his limit is from 4,000 Naira all the way to 40,000 Naira, which means the person can accommodate you buying 10,000 Naira worth of USDT from him. Second guy as well, 1,100 Naira all the way to 54,000 Naira. And guess what? They are all bank transfer. There is nobody here that isn't bank transfer. So with this now, you can just do the normal investigation and see if they are legit or not. And the same thing as well can be done for the selling. Let's say I want to sell some USDT. You could apply the same thing. Just click over here. Let's say I would like to sell 5,000 Naira worth of USDT. Click on bank transfer and then come to yes. You can see that everybody here now is bank transfer and the limit has been set to accommodate my 5,000 Naira. So this guy over here, 2,000 Naira to 5,000 Naira. This other guy as well, 1,000 Naira to 5,000 Naira. Basically now, by doing this option or by having this feature, it makes trading very easy. But if you do not select bank transfer and leave it in all, and then you come back here to click yes, then you see what it shows now. It's now showing you people who are accepting fiat balance. The people who are accepting fiat balance, they do tend to have a high favorable amount as compared to bank transfer. But since you don't want to deal with people who are accepting fiat balance, then it's better to change that feature. So you can see now everybody here, fiat balance. I would have to scroll for a while before I actually see a bank transfer. So you can see now we're now starting to see bank transfer. We had to scroll through quite a good number of fiat balance before we could see bank transfer. And also there are some other features available within this filter option as well. So if you don't just want to transfer with people with bank transfer, apart from fiat balance and bank transfer, then they're still transacting directly with people who have these online banks like Cheaper Cash and Kuda Bank. Kuda Bank is an online bank and it tends to be used a lot by people who are transacting using Binance P2P because it's very fast and very convenient, and it's very easy to actually create one. You can just download the app on your phone and create the bank account. So if you're transacting Kuda to Kuda Bank, it's a very fast payment and you don't have any issues at all. You can just click on Kuda Bank and then click on yes, and then it shows you people who are also accepting Kuda Bank transfers. We also have Cheaper Cash as well. So if I click on Cheaper Cash, click on yes as well, it shows me people who are accepting Cheaper Cash as well. Now, for this specific bank, when you click on it, I have never used this particular feature, so I don't know if these guys, maybe they have the major banks that people are going to be dealing with. So if you tell them you have a GTB account, they will transfer from their GTB account to your GTB account, because I would think Binance will give me the option of selecting the banks like GTB, First Bank and the rest. Because I've not used this feature, I'm not quite sure how it will work. But as you can see, this person says here, fast payments to Kuda Bank only. So take that for what it is. So I'll just say for faster payment, you can just use the Kuda Bank or the cheaper cash feature. Since it's very easy to create a Kuda Bank, you can click on those and then you can find somebody to actually trade with, and then they make the transfer to you. It's very easy, it's very fast, which is one of the huge advantages of using the app. This option over here is for your history. So if you click on that, it shows you your buy and your sell history. And if for some reason you left the app and you came back while you currently have an ongoing order, by clicking on that as well, you will see your ongoing order here as well. It won't be in the completed, you will just see it as ongoing, right? So this completed will be changed to ongoing, so you can just click on it and then you go back to your order. So I believe with all this, you should have no problem locating the right seller or the right buyer for your crypto. If you enjoyed this video and would love to support this channel, ways to do that are going to be on your screen and in the description below. For more videos like this, please click on the subscribe button below and the notification bell right next to it. I release new videos every week and you'll be the first to be notified when that happens. And don't forget to like this video and share it with people who you think would love to see it as well. Thank you very much, and that's all for this video, and I will see you guys soon. Cheers.